Okay, right now in this problem, I am going to change a quadratic equation from standard form into vertex form. Right now, the current equation that is in blue is in standard form. So right now, looking at it in standard form, your a is always the number in front of x squared, which is -2. Your b is the number in front of x, which is 8. And c is your number that's by itself, which is -3. So let me go ahead and write out what standard form is, or I'm sorry, what vertex form is, so we know what to change it to. Okay, so I just put the vertex form up here. Y equals a x minus h squared plus k, where the vertex is your hk. So a real easy way to change from standard form to vertex form is to just find your vertex and go ahead and fill it in the vertex form. So that's what I'm going to do. So the last section we kind of talked about for your vertex, which I'll write here. Your x coordinate here is -b over 2a. So now that we've done this for a little while, -b would be -8. 2 times a, 2 times -2 would be -4. So when you divide those two, you figure out that your x coordinate of your vertex is +2. Okay. Your y coordinate of your vertex that goes with it, we've been talking about, you take the original equation and you fill in 2, in this case, the x coordinate for x, and see what you get. So I've been telling my kids, write out the equation exactly how it is. Okay, but where you see an x, put a parenthesis. Okay, so that's my original equation above in standard form, exactly how it is. In the parentheses, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my x coordinate, which was 2, and I'm going to figure out the y coordinate that goes with it. Okay, upon doing that, I just typed it in. I figure out when I typed it in my calculator, the coordinate that goes with it is 5. Okay, so therefore my vertex is actually 2, 5. Okay, once you've done that, you've actually done all the work to write it in vertex form. So what I'm going to do, and I'll write this in black up here underneath, okay, I'm going to go and write the vertex form. So it's y equals, a goes in front of the parentheses. Your a in the original problem was -2, so I keep the same a. Okay? Just writing the form out. The number that goes next to x, okay, notice that when you have the vertex, minus h, you're taking the opposite of the x coordinate. So my x coordinate was 2, so I'm going to put -2. That's an easy way to think of it. It's always the opposite of the x coordinate. And then your y coordinate, which is +5, simply goes in at the end as is. Okay, so y equals -2, x minus 2 squared plus 5 is the vertex form of this equation.